Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 16th June 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 12 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe this channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. Which country is the world's second largest emitter of nitrous oxide?
Answer is India. India is the world's second largest source of nitrous oxide, N2O, a greenhouse gas that heats up the atmosphere far more than carbon dioxide. Nearly 11% of such global man-made emissions in 2020 were from India, topped only by China at 16%. The major source of these emissions comes from fertilizer usage, according to a global assessment of N2O emissions published in the journal Earth System Science Data on 12 June.
Question number 2. Who has become the first Indian rider to win 3-star Grand Prix event?
Answer is Shruti Vora. In equestrian, Shruti Vora scripts history as she becomes the first Indian rider to win a 3-star Grand Prix event. Shruti, along with her astride Magnanimous, scored 67.761 points in the CDI-3 event in FEI Dressage World Cup, held in Lipica, Slovenia. She finished ahead of Moldova's Tatiana Antonenko, who scored 66.552 points.
Question number 3. Which IPL team tops the brand value ranking in 2024?
Answer is CSK. The value of the Indian Premier League, IPL, increased by 6.5%, reaching $16.4 billion in 2024, as reported by American investment bank, Houlihan Lokey. In terms of franchises, with a brand value of $231.0 million, Chennai Super Kings, CSK, continues to be the most valued franchisee, achieving a growth of 9%. Royal Challengers Bengaluru, RCB, ranked second, with a brand and business value worth of $227.0 million. IPL 2024 winners, Kolkata Knight Riders, KKR, saw the highest growth, with a 19.3% rise from 2023.
Question number 4. Which state government has launched the PM Shri Tourism Air Service?
Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav inaugurated the Intrastate Air Service Facility, PM Shri Tourism Air Service, on 13 June 2024. He inaugurated the first flight under the service from the Bhopal airport. The PM Shri Tourism Air Service will connect 8 cities in the state. Those cities are Bhopal, Indore, Jabalpur, Rewa, Ujjain, Gwalior, Singrauli, and Khajuraho.
Question number 5. Which state government has launched the Chief Minister's Mannuir Kappom scheme?
Answer is Tamil Nadu. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin launched the Chief Minister's Mannuir Kappom scheme, which marked a significant step towards sustainable agriculture in Tamil Nadu. The aim of this scheme is to maintain soil fertility by providing farmers with green manure seeds. Green manure seeds will be distributed in the first phase in 2024 to 2025, helping over 2 lakh farmers and covering over 2 lakh acres.
Question number 6. Which of India's first indigenous suicide drones was inducted into the Indian Army?
Answer is Nagastra 1. The Indian Army has received the first batch of indigenous man-portable suicide drones, also known as the first indigenous loitering munition, Nagastra 1, with the capability of precise strikes on enemy training camps and launch pads, minimizing risks to soldiers. Nagastra 1 is a fixed-wing unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, weighing 9 kilograms, with an endurance of 60 minutes, a man-in-loop range of 15 kilometers, and an autonomous mode range of 30 kilometers.
Question number 7. Cyril Ramaphosa has secured a second term as the president of.
Answer is South Africa. Cyril Ramaphosa has secured a second term as the president of South Africa after he was elected by the South African Parliament on 14 June 2024. Cyril Ramaphosa was re-elected after a deal was signed between his African National Congress (ANC) party and the Centre-Right Democratic Alliance (DA) and other smaller parties to form a coalition government. Cyril Ramaphosa was elected as the President of South Africa for the first time on 15 February 2018.
Question number 8. Who has launched the AIM ICDK Water Challenge 4.0?
Answer is Niti Aayog. On 10 June 2024, National Institution for Transforming India, Niti Aayog, launched the AIM ICDK Water Challenge 4.0 and the 5th edition of Innovations for You under its flagship program, Atal Innovation Mission, AIM. Both these initiatives aim to foster innovation and sustainability in India.
Question number 9. Who is the ICC Player of the Month Women's for the month of May 2024?
Answer is Chamari Atpatho. The International Cricket Council, ICC, has named Gurkesh Moti of the West Indies as the ICC Men's Player of the Month for May 2024. In the women's category, Chamari Atpatho of Sri Lanka has been named the ICC Women's Player of the Month for May 2024. The Sri Lankan captain's outstanding performances propelled her team to qualify for the ICC Women's T20 World Cup 2024 in Bangladesh later this year.
Question number 10. Who has become the Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh?
Answer is Pawan Kalyan. Janasena Chief Pawan Kalyan was named the Deputy Chief Minister in a highly anticipated move by the Andhra Pradesh government on 14 June. Konidel Pawan Kalyan is an Indian politician, actor, martial artist, and founder of the Jana Sena party. Primarily working in Telugu cinema, he is known for his unique acting style and mannerisms.
Question number 11. World Sea Turtle Day is observed every year on.
Answer is 16th June. World Sea Turtle Day is celebrated every year on 16th June to raise awareness about the plight of sea turtles. World Sea Turtle Day is observed on 16th June, the birthday of Dr. Archie Carr, known as the father of sea turtle biology. There are over 2,500 different species of sea turtles, and they are a vital part of our world's oceans.
Question number 12. World Father's Day is observed every year on.
Answer is 3rd Sunday of June. World Father's Day is celebrated on the 3rd Sunday of June every year. In 2024, Father's Day falls on 16th June. Father's Day is celebrated to express one's respect and love for fathers and to cherish the father figures in one's life. Father's Day was founded in the United Nations by Sonora Smart Dode. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.